So my name's Nia Jones and we've recently opened Pub Jam in Myneddig. We've been open for 3 weeks now and we are serving local produce, light meals and fresh cakes. The first workshop I attended was the business startup in Llangefni, which was very useful to me because I used to be a teacher until 2 years ago. So this has been a steep learning curve for me. That gave an overview of how to start your own business. It gave me a toolkit really of things that I needed to do. But overall the experience was very valuable to me. In one session, a checklist, if you like, of things that needed to be done in order to start up my business. Then that progressed to a meeting with one of the advisors, and she had local expertise. She'd dealt with suppliers before, so at the end of the meeting I then had a full list of reputable suppliers that I could use and other valuable contacts. The main lessons I took away from the workshop was the importance of planning ahead, being thorough, and from our point of view, getting reputable suppliers. I'd definitely recommend the workshop as a sort of starting point. From the workshop, like I said, we had a meeting with the advisors. We also met people who were starting off their own business as well. For example, there was a gentleman there that's going to be starting a microbrewery, so hopefully in the future we can support each other and he's going to be supplying us with his ales. But no, definitely I would recommend people to go. My advice would be to anyone who wants to start their own business, if you have a passion for it, go for it. I've done it without any business background at all, and the support is out there, and people want to see young local people succeeding, so the support is there, and my advice would be just to go for it.